Hello everyone, I would like to take just a moment to show you how to create a new project. If you click on the Windows Start bar and start typing Visual Studio, you'll notice that three options show up here. Please do not try to use Blend Visual Studio 2019. The Visual Studio installer will be useful to you if you need to do updates or add an additional package or module to Visual Studio. But for all of our work in this class, we're going to be using just the normal Visual Studio 2019 app. And so we'll click that, and it takes just a moment to start up. And then when you need, sometimes I will give you a project file, and you will be able to open a project or solution that you've downloaded from the internet. But today, I would like to show you how to start a new project, which is what you'll need to do for the first few lessons in the course. So click Create New Project, and then we can help ourselves by filtering our projects using these filters at the top. In this course, we're only going to be working in Visual Basic, not C#. So Visual Basic we'll choose for the language, and the filters show up right here. Platform, we're going to be working on Windows. So now we have a Windows filter, and the type of projects we're going to be working with are all going to be desktop projects. And when you create new programs, you're going to want to use this option right here. In my list, it's the second one down. It is Windows Forms App, and it says .NET Framework. So we'll just double click that, and then it takes us to a new spot here. For your projects, I would recommend that you name them without any spaces. So I'm going to call this my super great project. You'll see that the solution name is the same. Again, the project names, in order to create executables without spaces, which makes things a lot easier, I'm going to do it this way. And then I've already got a directory set up, but you'll want to have some directory set up where you can place all of your projects so that you can find them again in case you need to make corrections or resubmit anything. And I'm going to put mine in my standard directory. I'm going to hit Create. And then Visual Studio will crank away in the background and create this project for us with everything initialized. And then shortly, the Visual Studio window, the Microsoft Visual Studio window, will pop up for us, and then we can begin working on the project. We'll just wait it out here. And there it is, my Visual Studio 2019 window with a blank Windows Forms app created. That's all it takes. See you next time.